Hello everyone and welcome. Now you might want to hide the game activity in Discord. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. You see, all you have to do is adjust your privacy settings. Now, step 1, access Discord settings by clicking the gear icon or the settings icon next to your username. Then go to activity privacy. You see, after clicking the settings icon, you see in the left sidebar, you see some options. Select activity privacy. The next thing you're going to do is toggle off the switch next to the option that says display current activity as a status message. This will prevent Discord from displaying the game you're currently playing to other users. Simple. You can also decide to hide a specific game by clicking on registered games in the left sidebar, find the game you want to hide, and clicking the eye icon next to the game. This will toggle the game detection off for that specific game. You see, by following these steps, you can easily hide your game activity from other Discord users, maintaining your privacy while using the platform. Note that these settings may not completely prevent all instances of your game activity from being visible to others. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for